Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting to share with you. Picture this. It's LA's bustling streets, and right amidst the Hollywood glitz, who do we see? Cats! Yes, you heard that right, but not just any cats. These are the new wave of influencers, strutting their stuff on two legs, dressed in the latest fashion trends. Now, if you think this sounds like something straight out of a movie, you'd be spot on. Only in LA could we see a Persian cat rocking a leather jacket or a Siamese sporting a chic little dress. These cats are not only walking on twos, but they're also setting the bar high in the content creation scene. Take Luna, for example. Luna is a Scottish fold with a following that could rival some of Hollywood's biggest names. She's got this adorable little wardrobe that's to die for, from tiny sunglasses to miniature sneakers. Her owner, a savvy content creator, films Luna's daily adventures and uploads them to Instagram and TikTok. Luna's content is all about living the LA lifestyle, and believe me, people can't get enough. And then there's Felix. He's a Maine Coon with a penchant for urban streetwear. This cat is all about that edgy, cool vibe. Felix's videos feature him hitting the skate parks, lounging in trendy cafes, and even attending influencer events. Yep, you heard that right, cats at influencer events. His presence is so magnetic that brands are lining up to collaborate with him. What's even more fascinating is how these feline influencers are handled. Behind every stylish cat, there's a dedicated human team managing their schedules, outfits, and social media accounts. It's like a mini Hollywood studio, but for cats. They ensure every post is perfect, every outfit is on point, and every adventure is captivating. You might be wondering, how do they get these cats to walk like that? Well, it's no easy feat. It involves a lot of training, patience, and of course treats. The results, however, are absolutely worth it. Watching a cat strut down Sunset Boulevard in a tiny tuxedo is something you never knew you needed in your life, and the impact, huge. These cats are not just making waves online, but they're also influencing human fashion trends. Designers are now creating matching outfits for cats and their owners. Can you believe that? So if you're in LA and you see a dapper kitty walking by, don't be surprised. Snap a pic, follow their social media, and who knows, you might just become part of their next viral post. Alright, that's it for today, folks. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more amazing content. See you next time.